Hey guys, we're going to do a quick top operation here on the Nash. Essentially what you want to do is you want to start with the snap rivets here in the back. And you're going to pop these guys off one by one, like so. It's easier as you go. Awesome. All right, now once you have that down, go ahead and get back into the vehicle. And if you want to come in here, you can see there are, under the two visors, there are two latches that you release. Pop those back, and you can go back a little bit. And essentially, you want to walk it back. My personal favorite way to make sure that everything's level and going back at the same time is being in the back of the car with the seat forward. So I'll start going back just a little bit, just so that I have a little bit of headroom. There we go. Now once we're in, you can slowly start working it back and making sure that all the ribs are going down evenly. Oh. That one's in. Go ahead and slide down back there, like so. Now if you want to come closer, you can see everything's slid back in there nicely as it should. You got the two big belt bug speakers here. And then you have this cover here that just snap rivets into place, and then you're good to go. And then to put it back up, same process, one rib at a time, just making sure it's on the tracks, and then latch it up front, and then snap rivets in the back. Thank you very much.